Division bench item 1 with 2 for hearing.
The cross cases were heard together, and the office note shows that suo motu revision could not be registered because they could not get the address of the acquitted person. And the records of 347 is not here, so they have requested for calling that records.
Just tell me about this suo motu revision. Let us assume it ultimately happens. But then revision is to be taken up by a single judge, is it not?
But then here 302 is dead.
Oh, acha. Because of that, we'll assume jurisdiction. Okay. Just one will do.
Order to cite sources. Sign better. Oh.
The correct address, who has given this, at whose instance that note was put up? That the correct address of the said persons were not, they could not be ascertained. Who has said that?
The registry also.
Registry is written.
No, because here we can always ask the police to ascertain the correct address.
Are the records of 347 can also be seen? Records of 347, the one which is not before your lordship. That can be called, and there, of course, the addresses will be there.
Just give it PCR. It's one number file. Sorry. What are the name of those persons? Any one or two of them so that I can find out.
Abu Bakr Siddiqui.
Huh?
Abu Bakr Siddiqui lordship.
Abdul Bakr Siddiqui.
Mubarak Ali.
Just a moment. I don't know. You see, the second name is
Mubarak Ali.
Ali.
Mubarak Ali.
Tajuddin.
Her name is Tajuddin.
Now look at this.
Achha.
See? Second page. Yes. Now there are a list of witnesses who have been examined under 164.
161, 164, yes.
So now, I have seen one of those, the Abdul Baza Siddiq,
Hmm.
it is down there in the record. Somewhere in the middle,
Now,
his
Abu,
statement is there.
Acha,
There his address is recorded.
this is Zuron Ali, where statement is recorded. Acha.
So in recording the statement, their names and addresses are given.
Abu Bakr Siddiqui.
Yes,
Abu
next
Bakr
page, next page, next page. Yes,
Hmm.
yes, both of it in your hand, where your hand is.
Yes. Taizuddin is there.
Just where your hand is. No, 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 not that page.
Here.
Go
to remote account. Case diary Taizuddin,
No, no, not
Anisu.
first, second, down below, where your hand is.
Yes. Yes. No, no, if one person here.
No, no, page two, where you are. No, no.
Here and this one,
Huh.
perhaps.
Huh.
Yes. This is 161. What's 164?
161.
Huh. Taizuddin is there. Abu Bakr Siddiq, yes.
Yes. So
Huh.
his address is recorded by the police.
Hmm. They are the witnesses whose 164 was taken. So their address will be here.
It's there.
So I'll just see. This is 164 statements. I go to 164.
No, don't leak. These are 10 years back, old papers.
Oh, yes, yes.
Huh.
Taizuddin is there. Yes. His address is here.
Yes, that's what I said.
Fengua Pathar, Taizuddin, then Abu Bakr Siddiqui, no? Yes, he is also Taizuddin Ali আছে এইটো বাপেকৰ নাম কি? But this is okay. Abu Bakr Siddiq.
সেইটো এটাই আছে।
Abu Bakr Siddiq, of course, the address is there. Fengua Pathar, Hortebari. That address is reflected in the notice also, that office note also. Hmm. This is only Fengua Pathar, Hortebari. So it's better to be done by the police. They'll find out. They'll find out. আৰু second নামটো কি আছে?
মুবাৰক আলী।
Mubarak Ali, no? Mubarak Ali আছে। আৰু third name টো?
তাইজুদ্দিন।
Huh?
তাইজুদ্দিন।
No, third to Taizuddin. Fourth to?
বিলাত আলী, BILAT।
Bilat Ali. Bilat Ali is not made a witness here, I think. Into Bilat Ali's name is not there. Bilat Ali was not examined, bisa? Police will. Wait, revision of this cannot be convicted to conviction. Acquittal cannot be convicted to conviction. It would have remand kori. It would have revision and registration. কিন্তু acquittal cannot be converted into the conviction that acquittal cannot be converted to any other aggressive any orders. Lordship. Lordship, yes. Bilat Ali's statement was not recorded. Other three is a statement. Police will find out.
Understood.
So Phingua Pathare, sir. So Phingua Pathar. So Phingua Pathar.
জি বড় মাইল আমি পেল পাইছি নাম্বার 2 মাইল
Three, page number 5.
Apple.
Lordship is not audible, so perhaps the microphone is not used.
I was trying to be polite.
No, no, it's
Uh, Ms. Jahan, APP, you are for
I'm going to inform ambulance.
Miss
F Hussein,
S. Hussain,
F.
F. Hussain, and
For the case number 3, 8, 9, 11, and 13.
3.
3, 8, 9, 11, and 13.
What is your name?
8.
Your name
Yeah.
are all present. Seen the office note dated 27/3/2024. Wherein it is stated that the addresses of Abu Bakr Siddiq, blue flag, right? Blue flag.
Charges were
Mubarak Ali, Tajuddin, and Bilat Ali are not found on record.
If I may interfere, Lordship, 347, with respect to that case, 302 was not there.
That acquittal.
That,
It was acquittal. No, but
Huh.
if it is a case of if the ingredients 302 are otherwise available, then it is only the division bench. Otherwise, we'll have one more trial. We'll first adjudicate and then send it for the division bench again. So when officer 302 is there in the trial court, we'll see. Let the record come. Then we'll decide. So otherwise, also this is very old. If we have 2 rounds of sessions on this, it will be. Then I leave it. We'll see
Let's
on that day. Who were acquitted in connection with sessions case number 347 of 2015. However, their addresses are not found. Full stop. From file number 6 of 6.
325 or 350.
Record 2. Record.
Lordship.
Of the TCR. We find that out of the said persons. Statement of Tajuddin, Abu Bakr Siddiq, Mubarak Ali, are referred to in the supervisory note. Column number 16. So row number 16. And the corresponding statements are also available on record, which indicates their address. Now, Bilatali is not available.
Bilateral.
It's not available.
Next paragraph. Therefore, let the scanned copy of the records of sessions case number 347 of 2015. Only that part of scanned copy of sessions we recall where the addresses of the said persons would be available, like statement recorded under 313 CRPC. Or copy of the charge sheet. And copy of the charge sheet. Next product. In addition, as suggested by the registry, you permit the registry to use the address which was mentioned in the notice dated 27/2023, which was earlier issued to Abu Bakr Siddiq, Mubarak Ali, Tajuddin, and Bilat Ali. Anything else? No. The registry shall send the requisition for the scan copy of relevant pages of sessions case number 347 of 2015. The concerned is which court?
Sessions court.
Sessions
Borpeta.
court, Bapeta. At liberty to the said learned court to send the scan copy of the records by email for being produced before the court. List on 16/5/2024. And in the first item, what do you call it?
The other item.
This will cover the both the cases or
Yes, Doctor.
both the cases?
Both the cases.
Common out of it. Okay. Anything else we can do to expedite this matter?
Actually, I think the address.
After we get the address, then police can be set in motion, but
Okay.
that address, I think, will be the same Fingua Pathar, Hortebari. Let us see the records. Maybe something more than that. And these other acquitted persons, they know them. They are in touch with them. He is appearing for those acquitted persons who are again relatives and they are neighbors. But we have to take a long process.
We have some suggestions, but we can't give. This can pick them up on petty offense and then extract the address from them.
Yes.
This we can't say.
I cannot.
Pronouncement of judgment. Item number 18, 19, and 20.
In view of the legal position, where the AGMs purportedly held on 29/9/2023 and 13/9/2023 cannot be said to be properly convened. The opinion of the court is that the board of directors of the society stands dissolved on and from 39/2023 by operation of section 39 of the 2007 Act. Hence, all these three petitions have become infractions and need not be answered and not decided. The registrar of cooperative societies or its other authorities like assistant registrar of cooperative societies would pass appropriate orders to ensure proper management of the affairs of the society till a fresh board of directors of the society is constituted in accordance with law. The board of directors shall be constituted preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of certified copy of this order from any of the by any of the respective parties or from the Learned Standing Council for the Cooperation Department. However, leave is granted to the Registrar of Cooperative Societies Assam to pray before this court for extension of time to constitute a new board of directors by showing cause. The Registrar of Cooperative Societies and or other authorities like the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies in Sukia are directed to close all the pending appeals and or review applications in question regarding the appointment or functioning of any of the member of the board of directors of this society. It's like a Titanic. This you can see it, but there's a correction. In fact, having seen you, I recollected you referred to the one more provision of holding of the board of. I think I missed out that. Just a moment. Cooperative Societies Act. Cooperative Societies.
I have a copy of it.
Just a minute. Your reference was to 43(8),
For the government nominee.
section 39. He was.
39 is in context with the financial year.
There's a reference to one more provision.
39 comes in with the context of the financial year, my lord.
Yes.
1st of April to 30th of September. In case the AGM is not held, it goes.
No, that's okay, but you refer to one more provision. 36(4). 43.
So that was a lengthy argument. My lord. Lot of things were brought in context of which, my lord, the query is put. If not, you could kindly elaborate on
No,
that.
I just realized out of this provision. One provision I forgot to discuss. I just want to track down. You just refer to the provision, please indicate if anything has been left out. 36(4), 36(5), 43(1) and 43(2). Then 39.
Two things whether my lord would be referring to would be that the board has independent powers and control over the secretary, who, if issues notices for certain kind of meetings, but certainly for AGMs and all, it's the board who has the power.
That
Those
is
two
which
things,
provision? That is which provision?
I have to just relate for that. The two were there. (38)(10). Subsection 10 of section 38, there's the functions of powers and functions of the board insofar as to hold AGM in stipulated time. 38(10). And so far as secretary is concerned, that would be 49(2)(e). To convene meetings of the general body of the cooperative society, the board and executive committee, under committees, etc. So two are distinct and different.
Just a second, you can have a look. This correction I have to make.
Wait for me.
Yes.
May it please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to trouble your lordship for listing of a matter tomorrow. It's a tender matter, your lordship, for supply of seeds to the Assam Seeds Corporation. I'm a registered contractor. I'm challenging certain clauses of the tender, your lordship.
Where is the opening?
On the 2nd of May, your lordship, and thereafter the bids will be opened. So. Okay, tomorrow, your lordship. I'm grateful, your lordship.
With the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 5, lordship. So can the matter be fixed on 24th of May?
Okay, you've taken consent.
Lordship, I have taken consent.
Which is represented on the pair made by Mr.
A. Dhanuka, lordship.
A. Dhanuka, counsel for respondent number
And for the petition, lordship.
for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned today. When do you say listing?
24th of May, lordship.
So 24, 520. Okay. Yes,
Yeah, Praise the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention for listing of a contempt matter.
listing, give it to the court master. Not praise for listing, give it to the court master.
Lordship.
Me, please,
Thank you,
Lordship. With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 10, my lord. Lordship, my senior, Mr. Ikebuyia, is unwell in the manner that he has got himself hurt in the knee and back, my lord. So I pray for 2 weeks' time, my lord.
Both sides are represented. As the counsel for the
Petition.
petitioner is indisposed. The matter stands adjourned today. This after
After 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, may I beg to item number 11? My lord, in this case, my lord, so I need some time, my lord. The deputy commissioner, he was, my lord, busy in the my lord, election. Lordship, can it be fixed in after, my lord, that 4th of June? My learned friend also, my lord, he appeared.
Okay.
Some process is going on, lordship, only because of, my lord, that.
We have
he-
already deposited the premium, my lord. We are only awaiting the, my lord, the settlement. now.
Okay, this fixed on 27th of May then.
Can it be, my lord, after 4, lordship, my lord, that-
After-
for 4, lordship, my lord, that,
5th June. Both sides are represented. On the prayer made by Mr. J. Hendik and Mr. Adikosu for the Revenue Department.
I'm for the government road.
Achha, the government advocate, the list on 5/6/2024.
My lord, interim order is there.
Okay, interim order passed to list and is extended to Wednesday to district.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
Obviously.
Deeply obliged.
Hey, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. The leading counsel is out of session with a leave note. I pray for an adjournment for a week.
Both sides are represented. On the ground that the conducting lawyer is indisposable. Therefore, adjournment is made. There is a list after 2 weeks.
Daily list for motion. Item 1 to 4.
Lordship, before Lordship takes up in item number. Lordship, item number 13, 14, 15 and 16, Lordship, today we have filed an affidavit that is not on the record. Lordship, may take it up next week, Lordship.
Do you find that?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, he is appearing for the petition.
Says it represented.
6, 7.
Mr. V. Chaudhary, Leonard.
Finance and
Leadership for the
taxes.
state GST. Submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed today in the matter which is not on record. You want to file a reply?
No, we will not file reply, but there's need to go through it.
Okay. Probably hearing is deferred today. List of, give a date after 2 weeks.
Not doing well.
Mission.
2005.
Any interim order is there?
No info.
In Lordship, this item 1 to 4. In item 4, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit on behalf of the government, and 1 to 3. The Revenue Department has also filed the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the government, Lordship. And on the earlier order,
Taken up acquisition proceedings or no? Is
that
there-
Lordship, in the earlier order, we have been directed to produce the records. I was under the misconception that the Revenue Department will bring the records. But Lordship, because of that misconception, Lordship, I am praying for some time as because records I have not got. No letter has been sent from our side, Lordship. I admit that it's my mistake. I was under that misconception that they will.
Your Lordship, that can be done. I agree to them, but till then they should not take any advice.
There's already an interim order in your.
That order is already
In my
there.
case, item 1. There's, I think, no.
But
interim.
affidavits are there, but even then, your Lordship has directed us to produce
It's a
the
common order.
records.
It's a
Yes.
common order. If you are
Okay.
interpreting it differently, I don't know.
Lordship.
Yes,
We'll be happy to interpret it.
yes.
in the manner.
Otherwise, it is a similar matter, Your Lordship. And in our case,
Also
there is no
represent-
affidavit has been filed.
Mr. H. Sharma, then the additional senior government advocate. has submitted that. Submitted that due to inadvertence, the record could not be called for. And he pays for some more time to produce the relevant records. Next, accordingly, matter stands adjourned today. Next, the interim order passed today and is extended till the next date of this thing.
Lordship, may fixing a date in the last part of this month if it is not inconvenient to your Lordships.
24th is possible, my.
24th, yes. 24th, yes, Lordship.
24th, okay. This one,
I have
24th,
paid
2024.
That's not 6 million.
That's it, all sides present. You will come within that all.
My lord, So for item number 2, 3, 4 are concerned, we are going to file further affidavit in reply in the middle.
You don't need to leave for that.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Item 6 for admission.
May I please your lordship, on last day, they have sought time for file affidavit, your lordship. It's arbitration matter, your lordship, we are only seeking the respondent to appoint a nominee, your lordship.
Where is the provision of nominee arbitrator? Where is that?
That is, your lordship.
Lordship, let the matter be passed off for time being.
Where is the provision of nominee director? No, nominee arbitrator, where is that?
Let me check, your lordship.
Oh, you start reading now. Okay, after some time.
Lordship.
Be prepared.
Item 7.
Hey, please, your lordship. Lordship, Mr. D Das is on legs in court number 23. May this matter be passed over for timing?
I am also, my lord, led by learned AG, my lord. He is on some video conferencing matter, my lord. So it may take some time. Can it be day after, my lord, tomorrow? Because they have filed a reply, my lord, that a copy has been received by me yesterday, but I checked with the court record, probably it is not there. So that reply may be come along with only our affidavit I find there. Probably it is not there.
Reply was filed.
Yes, yes. They have filed a reply to our affidavit, respondent number 4.
What says the representative? The affidavit is filed by the petitioner yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday.
It's not on record. So the registration currently says affidavit on record. As agreed to by both sides, just on.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow would be second.
Second, my lord. Probably interim has to be continued, my lord. It is
Interim order passed is extended to the next person.
obliged.
Item 8. Election petition 3/21 for orders.
May please your lordship. Lordship 2IA has also come up with this election petition. IA number 1272, which is filed by the which has been filed by the respondent, lordship. And it's IA number 484, lordship, which has been filed by the election petitioner. In IA number 1272 of 2021, lordship, which has been filed under Order 7, Rule 11 of Rule 11, lordship. Lordship, we have prayed in this IA that the election petition should be dismissed because there is a defect of non-joinder of parties, lordship. And lordship, in IA number 484, lordship, they have prayed for the striking off of para 25 of the election petition, where they have prayed that the election petitioner should be declared as the
IA number?
IA number 484. Oh, sorry, 1484. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Your Lordship, 1484 of 2021. They have filed this IA praying for the striking out of para number 25 of election. And in para number 25, Lordship, it has been prayed that the election petitioner should be declared as the successful candidate.
Wait, 1484 this,
Striking out of para 25, Lordship.
yes. So that has been allowed.
It has been allowed, Lordship. It has come today.
So this is already disposed of. 1484 has already been allowed. The
And Lordship, 1272 has also come, Lordship, which has been filed by us, Lordship. 1272 of 2021.
1272 is already, the final order has been passed. On 9/2/22, final order has already been passed. You see both of this.
Both these IAs have come up today with the election petition, Lordship.
No,
That
it may have
is-
come up, but this is disposed of. Both are disposed of.
Yes, Your Lordship, it has, since it has come in the cause list, that's why. Lordship. Maybe,
Hey, Sandro, you're done, sir.
so only election petition stands, Lordship.
No.
Now it isn't called for the petitioner. Dr. P.P. Medil and counsel for the respondent is present. Next one. Yes. It's for order dated 3/4/2024. The counsel for the petitioner had withdrawn his Vaparatnama by serving a notice to the petitioner of his intention to withdraw. That's true. For Angel Justice, the matter stands adjourned. Next, but it is made clear that if the petitioner remains absent on the next date of listing, adverse orders may follow. This time. 31/5/2024. That will be 1 month time. This. Next, the registry shall take the. Highest will 1272 of 2021 and I 1484 of 2021. One disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 9 for orders.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, petitioner is a CRPF personnel. Respondent number 4 is his wife. She filed as many as 8 cases against me. which has caused my life miserable and I cannot do my duties properly. So under compelling circumstances, I have given her talak-e-Hasan. That means per month one talak. And that Lordship may kindly the first talak was given on 24/2/2023, page 11. Man. I have also given the case numbers. How she is behaving with me, making my life miserable from all directions. So there are the case numbers also. So I have given the first talak on 24/2/23, that is page 11. Man. Then my second talak was given on 19/4/23, page 13.
Yes.
Then third talak was given on 22/6/2023, page 15. Madam. Thereafter, after pronouncing 3 talaks, I filed an application before the district Muslim marriage registered Kaji at Borpeta. Kindly see page 17. Madam. I have filed the petition requesting the learned Kaji that the divorce should be registered in view of section 9 of the Muslim Marriages and Divorce Registration Act. Now, Lordship may kindly have a look to page 19, madam.
Just a minute.
My lord.
Just a minute.
My lord, may I most humbly submit, my lord, that act under which he claims is no longer in force, my lord. There's a notification to that effect. And my lord, in any event, there's an alternative remedy available to him under the Special Marriage Act, my lord, that he can.
No, Special Marriage Act would not apply. Is it a registered marriage? No.
My lord, that if some marriage has been solemnized, they have to register. As part of that MMR Act.
That is no longer in force.
My lord, my learned friend's submission is because that is not retrospective. It is prospective. When the case was filed at that time, it was in force. So,
No, but if this is set aside, this is repealed, that means the authority will not be available.
Yes.
The authority created by the statute will not be there.
but Kazi has filed affidavit, he is still functioning, my lord.
No,
my lord. No, he has filed affidavit. I am on record,
No, he
Mr.
is
Counsel,
saying-
I am
he is
on
saying
record.
Because the respondent has filed an affidavit. Respondent
The
has.
Kazi, my lord, Kazi
He
has
has
filed
filed
affidavit.
I've seen that already.
Everything is there.
Filed on 24th April, my lord. The act ceased to be in force on the 16th of March, my lord.
So you know. So you know now which authority you have to inform if somebody is acting as a Qazi.
Whether it was also came on the other day, but it was found that it is not retrospective, it has no retrospective effect.
No,
Because-
retrospective is not there. Let us say, I'll tell you in a simple manner. Let us say, for an example, that there is a police station just outside the High Court gate. Correct? You approach there, you file an FIR. 3 months back. But today there is a notification that this police station is disbanded. Now, since your complaint was 3 months back, would this police officer be functioning here? If it is disbanded, it goes. It can't be said.
But someone has to discharge.
No, no. M.
Special manager. My lord, yeah.
Muslims, M.
No, I have got extra.
Lordship.
We have another copy. I'm giving.
No, M was used. Muslim MOS.
Fine. Oh, আমি এমনি চাইছো
MO সাইড
হয়
আৰু M
আছে স্যার কিন্তু আছে স্যার ইখন একটা ইউজ
Section 9 lordship mechanism.
No.
Any marriage celebrated. Register করে দিলে dissolution ওখানে apply করো। আছে provision, court of common। Registration করো করে dissolution ওখানে। এ তো আছে special
Middle law.
এখন নাই। Yes. সাবলে লাগে। আছে section 9 করবে।
Discussion. Notice one appeal. Even challenge.
No, PIL এখন হইছে। PIL হইছে।
That is understandable. That
Stay করা নাই। Courte stay করা নাই।
that repealing order is also under challenge.
No, it's a notification, sir.
No, that is under challenge.
That's under challenge, but that has not been stayed.
That notification is
Under challenge.
Just a minute. But with this notification, we have to close the reputation. You can only now proceed to the family court and get
Yes,
an
well.
order.
27 of the special marriage.
So Mahmood,
Family court, my lord, it is a
you have to close it.
long procedure, and my lord, here the respondent number 4 has not appeared. Kindly see her conduct.
No, one may not. Maybe they have come to know about the bad reputation of the court.
Here there is one provision.
She may be thinking that the judge is shouting so much. She may be looking at the video and found that the judge is shouting so much. She doesn't want to appear out of fear.
No, my lord. See, I see many things are there. If your lordship kindly call for a report from Osti Borpeta PS, what says doing, I don't want to disclose
No,
because
it's okay. But we can't assume jurisdiction when we have none. This has been repealed and we can't do anything.
I am a CRPF person, lordship kindly say nature of my duty.
No, but I can't do anything. Once the act is not there.
Notification under 7.
Before a division bench, my lord, in a PIL, it has not been stayed, no stay, my lord.
It is fixed in on 24/6, 24.
No stay,
No stay.
no stay.
Appellate provision, that's a 20. My lord, we see that there is also an appellate provision. The problem is this, my lord. Kazi has not rejected my petition. If the Kazi rejects my petition, then I have the right.
You can still approach this the jurisdictional court and get it done.
District register. It is district register. madam.
No. Jurisdictional court. Wherever you are living.
No, here is in this act, there is appellate provision, madam. In this act itself.
No, once the act goes, you can't do anything with the act.
Borpeta, my lord, family court.
Borpeta has a family court.
Yes. Well, the petition number is 2163 of 24.
This is the order.
The order is dated 24/4/24, my lord. Notice has been issued.
But Mr. Mahmood.
Madam, may I pray one thing, my lord? If your lordship is on the view that family court may decide, kindly a timetable may be fixed, madam.
No. That's something we can't do. Supreme Court has come down heavily on courts who are fixing time limit for disposal of cases.
Then let matter be
Next can
fixed
be-
after next day kiti ase hetu bole. Hetu
24/6.
24/6.
after 24/6 lordship may kindly fix.
Okay.
Take it.
Both sides are represented. Mr. J. Henry Clannett, standing counsel for the Revenue Department, appearing for respondent number 1. And Mrs. S. Sharma, Clannett, government advocate appearing for respondent number 2.
2 and 3. Lord.
3 is not there.
3 is not there. No, not 3, but 2.
2. Have both produced a copy of the Assam repealing ordinance 2024. by which Assam Muslim MOSLE, Muslim Marriages and Divorces Registration Act of 1935 has been repealed. By notification number capital LGL stop 13/2024/8 dated 16/3/2024, which has been published in the Assam Gazette Extraordinary dated 16/3/2024. Next, it is also submitted that although the said repealing act has been challenged by filing WPC 2160 of 2024, but it seems to be operating. Next. We said you are the better from the Mr. M. Margaret, then counsel for the petitioner. Praise for deferring the matter till the last week of May 2024. Posted. Putting the matter since adjourned today, list on 31/5/2024. We have a copy of this. We are returning your this copy of act.
After 26th of May, list after 26th.
Obliged, my lord.
26/6/24, huh? Next day.
Item 17.
May please the lordship.
Yes.
Or should we start? There's nobody from the respondent.
Who's there?
Sir, my place is studying council.
Pardon me?
WPQC studying council.
R. Tharman.
His name is reflected.
It suddenly come up, I think, so.
No.
Petitioner, may I
Yeah,
start?
there is another difficulty.
Oh, I see.
This WPC and BC department has been trifurcated. There are three authorities now.
Correct.
So this is for which department, I don't know.
Hello, this is for the tribal department, and on the early occasion, one of the early occasion, Mr. R. Dhar had informed the court already.
No, but we'll have to have the cost title amended.
He's there. He told, on the last occasion, he told he's there.
In some cases.
No.
RMs are prepared. Fine.
No, please, please try to assist me. This cost title has to be amended. Otherwise, there will be a direction on a department which doesn't exist.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, tribal affairs.
Now, what is the name of the
Tribal affairs plane.
Tribal Affairs Plains? Because that has to be incorporated.
Department of Tribal Affairs plane has to be.
That has to be incorporated here. You please provide a amended cost title.
All right.
Oh, WPC doesn't exist.
This will affect
Three jobs.
only respondent number 2. Correct?
Mine.
The other the nomenclature to be changed. That is the G. Goswami and counsel for the petitioners. Mr. R. Dhar, done as standing counsel for the Tribal
Affairs Plain.
Department of Tribal Affairs within bracket plain.
My lord, not only 2, 3 also. Now we have two separate state level scrutiny committee, one for tribal, the other is for OBC and SC.
Has submitted that the WBC and BC department has existed earlier, has been trifurcated, and the subject matter of this repetitions is relatable to the Department of
Tribal Affairs Plain.
Tribal Affairs within bracket plain. Stop. Next, it is also submitted that the department that for persons belonging to the scheduled tribes within bracket plains of the state, there is another state level caste scrutiny committee. Correct?
My lord, correct.
Full stop. In view of said submissions, comma, the court is inclined to permit the learned counsel for the petitioner to provide an amended cost title of this of the parties to the writ petition by incorporating the correct nomenclature of respondent number 2 and 3. Full stop. The amended cost title be served on the AOJ civil rule pending section. The comma upon receipt of the same shall incorporate it in the cost title of this writ petition and also cause correction in the central registry of the court. There's something more. In the internal pages where you have made submissions, I think there also we will have to make some corrections. Please check it up.
We'll check it.
You
If there's any reference to,
just sit down, check it up, and then address us again.
yes, your lordship.
Please, because I find this at page 11.
If it's
Is-
particular respondents or just respondents.
Because
Okay, I understand. We just take.
correction cost item, just check it up and then tell us. Let us check the pleadings because if they are required to be amended also,
Mine.
we'll do it in one go. Or we can also say, subject to you all you agree that wherever this BC department is referred in the writ petition shall be treated as tribal affairs.
Tribal Affairs.
I think that will simplify the matters. Correct.
But yes, madam, only that the cost title has to be. my lord.
Cost title will change. Correct.
Yes, your lordship. I think that's.
In view of the altered position of the respondent but two department arising out of its trifurcation, comma. The court is also inclined to provide that in the writ petition, wherever the name of WPC and BC department is pleaded, the same shall be considered to be
Tribal
the
Affairs. Plain.
Department of Tribal Affairs within bracket plain. That you also right. We are all appearing. This one will be by government advocate, Mr. For one. One is chief secretary, who will appear. Will appear for him. Is government, you can appear, but chief secretary.
Chief Secretary.
M. Burman, done as government advocate appears for respondent number 1. 2 and 3 by Mr. Dhar, standing counsel. Mr. Burman will be 1 and 4. 1, 4, 5.
Five.
Huh? You can also, like what then you say. Mr. DJ. Senior counsel.
My lord, I check, my lord, it's 6 even, 6 has to, 6 also, my lord. 6 also has to be amended, my lord.
The 2 and 6
Secretary
has to be
Senior
amended.
Counsel assisted by Ms. Mbadu. Recommended to be replaced for 1 and 4.
Now we have
So
two.
how will be 2, 3 and 6.
Department of Secretary.
So any corrections? 6 or
I trust me, not 3 department.
2 and 3 possible, 6 also.
2, 3, 6. Huh?
So Ms. Burman will also be for 4 and 5. Huh? 6 and 5. 7 also by Ms. Burman. 7 also by Ms. Burman. Now 8 will be appearing.
I'm appearing for 8. I'm
For
appearing
8,
for 8.
Mr. K.V. Pathak. The council appears for respond for 8. Copy of the amended cost statement shall also be provided to the learned state and department council and the learned private council for the respondents. Okay, when do you fix it now?
Lordship may keep it on Thursday. We'll do it
Very well.
in the course of the today and tomorrow.
Okay. No, Thursday it will not come. Because it goes to this, the registry. I think next Tuesday will be okay.
Next
goes to the
Tuesday,
registry,
perhaps a
they'll have
holiday, your lordship.
The
Because
7th
of
will
the
be
election.
holiday. Because it will go to the section.
Can it be on the 9th, your lordship? 9th. Because why I was praying for an early date, because we had filed a writ appeal pending for division bench. There the proceedings have been stayed because of the pendency of this petition.
Thursday we can all do.
But then you'll have to do it today. You'll have to make the
Yes,
consent today, otherwise it
yes,
won't come
yes,
day
today.
after tomorrow.
Lordship may give a direction. Then it'll come definitely on Thursday.
No, because
Sunday.
this.
Lordship may fix it on the 9th. They'll also get some time to do the corrections. And then at least then
It takes time.
it will take some
They'll
time.
have to amend the
Yes.
central registry.
Yes, okay.
It's not
Thursday will
only
be-
with them.
Will be very short.
Lordship,
notice.
9th.
Or any day after.
But they will, you see, the procedure is that you will file it. You'll file it, it goes to the section, they will do the corrections. It will be sent back to the registry. Then
So
the
it takes
central registry
time?
will be corrected. It takes some
Okay,
time.
okay.
Then it can be 14th also. 14th is fine. 14th. 14th. If 9, too many matters, 6 mile.
Okay.
Not 9, 6 please.
But if you can file it today, by afternoon, then it will happen.
Lordship, that was what we were hoping to do, which is why I was asking for Thursday.
You can do it by first half. Okay.
Very well.
What the-
Are you not
when it comes to the file, of course of the day to day.
Hmm.
Is strong. Day after tomorrow is
That is the way.
2nd of May.
I was led by learned senior counsel, Mr. K.N. Chaudhary. He has some difficulty on the 2nd. I've just been informed.
So should we start and then,
No. That I am not keeping.
or should we keep it on 14th?
I-
14th, my lord.
Only thing is the matter has been getting
Yes,
adjourned
yes.
at the instance of respondent number
I-
8 several
So
times.
that is not a fair comment, your lord. They have also taken adjournments, your lordship, not at our instance all the time.
Oh, okay, 14th then. 14th. 14/5. Okay.
Deeply obliged. 1 second, I'll be deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Time being item 6.
Your lordship, the arbitration clause is page number 118, 118, clause 45.
Yes, Mr. Bora, we have been waiting for you.
I need some more time to for instruction, my lord. If lordship, I'm also in perplexed because of this affidavit, this petition, my lord. Lordship will turn to page number 12.
12.
12.
Achha, just a moment. We were at page 118. Yes, clause
clause 45, para 3, your lordship. If the parties have not jointly appointed a dispute bench 21 days before the date started in the PC and the dispute bench is to compromise 3%, each party shall nominate one member for the approval of the other party. The first two members shall, so your lordship, see, we already appointed our nominee. They have to appoint their nominee. After that, the board will decide, your lordship, on chairman.
But the pleading is different.
Just a minute, just a minute. Page 12.
They have quoted 45.5.
Yes.
They said that the agri party will appear before the Indian Council of Arbitration within 90 days. They said something different, man. They have to appear before not before the High Court, with the Indian Council of Arbitration within 90 days.
You're reading where?
Page 12, lordship. They have quoted the particular arbitration
12,
section of
yes.
55.5. They have to appear before the Indian Arbitration Council within 90 days. But that 90 days period is over.
By the decision by DR. What is this decision?
Dispute bench.
There's a dispute resolution board has been constituted.
So where is the decision?
Yes. That's will find in page, I think it is 380 because there are two numbers in my page, in my petition.
Page number?
I think it is 380. Because they've given me two pages, two numbers in one page. It is dated 1/7/2022 decision. Not a problem.
Report of the member.
Yes.
We will have to close it. It has to go to Indian Arbitration Council.
Lordship, kindly fix it. My senior is not being at least letter appear, Your Lordship.
Both sides are represented. Mr. S. Borar and counsel for the petitioner
My lord,
has,
respondent.
oh, sorry, respondent has referred to clause 45.5 of the contract agreement relating to arbitration clause. And it is submitted that as per the provision contained in clause 45.5, comma, a party aggrieved by the decision of the dispute board. It's called dispute board.
Dispute resolution board. The 3-member dispute board.
Dispute board. Dispute board can approach the Indian Council of Arbitration within 90 days from the date of decision. First of the review of the said submissions from the learned counsel, Mr.
BJ Das.
BJ Das, counsel for the petition, prays for adjournment, prayer is allowed. This chapter. How much time?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
This was 2 weeks.
No.
I'm unemployed now.
Lots of work in chamber.
Huh?
Lots of work in chamber.